Sise Auckland Park eJohannesburg, imzimkhulu wezokurhatsha. Ulapho ziphekwa beziphakulelwa khona indaba. Nanzi ezithutshileko.
We have got our monitoring teams in all 7 regions of the city since we got this warning yesterday.
Esizo elirhabako bathi bajame ngenyawo ngenxa yezulu elina umvimbi esele lidlule nempilo yomuntu eJohannesburg.
Get rid of or minimize the red tape of doing business, especially SMEs, because as you understand, the GDP of any country is built by SMEs.
Amabhizinisi bathi isabelo semali asize amabhizinisi asakhasako emalokishini kungasekhulunywe nje kwaphela.
So we very rarely lose a court case with them, and they have said to us repeatedly, if you're going to challenge something in court, do it on the point in law.
I-Democratic Alliance ithi yokufaka isimangalo ekhotho iphakemeko ngomthetho wokuthathwa kwenarha begodu iyazi boni yokuthumba.
Now
Uyangithokozisa ukuthi ngenifumane ningilindile nendaba zephasi zesindebele ku-SABC1. Lotshani. Ukuna kwezulu, ukutshelela kwendlela kunye nokungabonakali kuhle ngikho ekubangele ingozi ekhambeni empilo yomuntu omunye eCresta eTlhagwini eJohannesburg ekuseni namhlanje. Kanti iphiko lezobujamo bezulu likhuphe iseleliso sokuthi kuzokuba nezulu eliphazamisako nelizokubanga inkhukhula. Kuthiwa umtshayeli wekoloyi ulahlekelwe lilawulo lekoloyi yakhe watshayisa umuthi. Imphathimandla zendlela zithi batshetshe khulu abatshayeli endleleni ngezulweli.
Umnyango wezamapholisa wendlela eJohannesburg uthi izulu eliragela phambili nokuna nendlela ezimanzi ezitshelelako ngizo ezibange ingozi ekhambeni empilo yomuntu omunye. Bephiko lezobujamo bezulu bakhuphe iseleliso sokuthi kuqalwe ukuthi izulu lirage nokuna ivekele.
the male driver sustained fatal injuries and was pronounced dead at the scene, and female passenger sustained serious injuries and has been transported to Helen Joseph Hospital.
Isifunda seGauteng seLimpopo kunye neseTlhagwini iJingalanga zibalwa hlangana nemfunda ezithekazisekileko ngokuna kwezulu khulu. Besizo elirhaba kweJohannesburg bathi sele banemphathimandla ezigade isimethe kizo zonke imphande zeJohannesburg.
So far in the city of Johannesburg, we have got our monitoring teams in all 7 regions of the city since we got this warning yesterday. Yesterday on Sunday it was level 2, so we already activated all the units which we require, and we had a lot of rainfall, but not like the one which we have been receiving from this morning.
Kanti ekuseni kuphazamisekile ukulungiswa kwamarobodo eSoweto ngoba abasebenzi abakhona ukusebenza izulu nalinako.
As you can see, we can't work while this is raining, because there will be some damages on the ground. It's like we do some recabling, we'll be trenching, removing the old cables, so we can't do that while this is raining.
Kanti abahlala abathekazisekileko emfundeni babawa ukuthi bahlale ngekhaya, kanti abatshayeli endleleni balandelane ngendlela ephephileko.
Ezinye zendlela ezikulu eLimpopo zoniwe zinkhukhula. Indawo ezithinteke khulu singisebembe neMopani ezibe nezulu elikhulu kusukela emvekeni ezimbalwa ezidluleko. Ingcenye yendlela ye-R524 phakathi kweLuwitri-Ghat neThohoyandou kurhulwe lizulu elibange isiminyaminya endleleni nengozi.
Ngomnyaka opheleleko isifundesi sisahlelwe sisomiso kunye nomtshiso omkhulu. Kodwana emvekeni ezimbali ezidlulileko eLimpopo bekusolo kunezulu elina ngamandla nelone imthangalasiseko yendlela namabhlorho. Makhulu wezakhamuzi namaplasa arhurhulwe lizulu esinginsebembe neMopani. Indlela i-R524 eyaziwa khulu ngeMpunda Maria yindlela eqhakathekileko yezomnotho eya eKruger National Park. Kanti indlela le ngeqhakathekileko nakubalimi njengombana bayisebenzisela ukuthutha imikhiqizo yabo eya emakethe. Abatshayeli bathi njenganje bakateleleke ukuthi basebenzise indlela ezide.
It's a very difficult situation for a person like me who drives between Chakuma and Thohoyandou every single day. to get to work. It becomes very difficult. Now, every time you need to be looking at the tires if they're not damaged. The road between Chakuma and Thohoyandou, they are badly damaged.
Amalunga womphakathi athi indlela nazinje ziyabaphazamisa babawa ukuthi zilungiswe msinyana.
There's nothing being done to the road. People try to patch it here and there, but the rain keeps on washing it away. Even when we have emergencies, the road presents a serious problem. Ambulances take long to reach our households.
Kanti kuphengula ukuthi izulweli lizokuraga nokuna emalangeni ambalwa zako.
Ekhasini leFacebook sibuze ukuthi linjani izulu mkhenu ngoba izangoma zezulu zithi liza kusolo lina umvimbi iveke yonke. Asizwe nakumbono uyalandela.
Dalmas lihatsha kakhulu lithela kakhulu wana fanele siyelele vele endleleni apha
mina ngapha ngakithi kumanzi nje yana so abashayeli abaqaphele kakhulu.
Ngisuka nje lenga seTrishard njengamanje ngithi abantu abaqaphele lapha N17 kuchithe kuoil lapha yana umgwaqo yashelela kakhulu.
Esangathi abaqhubi bangaqhuba kahle kakhulu ngoba nengozi ziyenzeka ngempela umgwaqo uyashelela.
Thina apha eMatatiyela izulu la gqibela kudala kule ndawo eMatatiyela kokokstadi koMatlema Fletcher ukuneda
ngesosha nguveli na kancane linende lithula nokho kuyakhambeka khona
lokho kusile emsakazo eBoksburg eFosrola siliya nabantu abaqaphele ama-patrols ama-robot okungasebenzi naseyitop sign babekezelelana
lapha eKapa awa alikho komekhulu silifuna kangangani izulu komile kuyachisa
ekuseni bengisemsebenzini linethe ngamanzi intela.
Umbono onke wombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki eParliament zifuna bona ungqongqotjhe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana azibophelele ekukhuliseni umnotho nakethula inkulumo yesabelo semali ngelesithathu. Bafuna bona isabelo semali kube kulapha kuvela khona amashuguluko emnothweni begodu kucalelelwe nokuphungula kwenkwelede. Baphikisana nokungezelelwa komthelo.
Okusise emthangalasekelweni kuhlala kuyinto ekhuthazako njengomgogodla ekukhuliseni umnotho elizweni okhunye nokhunye ukuvuselelwa komnotho eSouth Africa kuzokufanele kudzimelele kunziziseni umraro wemsebenzi nakho kulindelwe izinhlangano zepolitiki.
The DA urges the Government of National Unity to focus on growth-oriented reforms, infrastructure investment, and reducing wasteful expenditure. We should prioritize these areas instead of imposing higher taxes.
The IFP calls for incrementing the basic infrastructure grant provided to municipalities.
Economic growth is, however, still expected to lag at about 1% of GDP for this year, which is clearly insufficient to address high levels of unemployment and poverty and must be improved.
Government of National Unity's budget that will be delivered this week must demonstrate that the Minister of Finance is implementing the priorities that were recognized and agreed to in the Statement of Intent.
We have to fund economic growth that reaches at least 5% per year in order for us to have the employment, to have the job creation that we need that has been targeted. We have to be at least 5% of growth, of economic growth per year. The president's target of 3% is simply not enough.
We emphasize the urgent need for Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana to transform the promises made by the President into actionable policies that effectively address the multifaceted crisis that is facing South Africa today.
Inhlangano zizwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokuriyade ekuhlumiseni umnotho zikhombela ukuthi kube nokuzibophelela ekunzinziseni ukusetshenziswa kwemali.
Nakusesenjalo abosomabhizinisi bakhombele ungqongqotjhe wezemali uGodongwana bona afake imali yokufukula umnotho wamalokitshi. Abosomabhizinisi balela ngembandela nemfanelo eziningikhulu ezifuneka kwamabhizinisi amancane nakufuza afumane isizo lemali.
Babona umnotho emalokitshini ungenisa amaphesenti alikhomba engenisweni yomkhiqizo welizweloke.
We often hear these budgets that are announced, but at the end of the day, we don't see the results of those budgets, in terms of the township and making a difference in the township. It will make sense when we start, showcasing what are those budgets have done in the township in terms of the growth of the businesses in the township and the growth of the economy itself.
Kusesenjalo, i-FNB ikhuthaza amabhizinisi amancane ukuthi azwisise ukuqakatheka kwenkulumo yesabelo semali yangelesithathu.
There are a few reasons why the budget speech is so significant for small businesses, such as understanding tax adjustments that is often introduced or released with the budget speech, funding new and financial incentives, energy solutions, a gateway to reduced cost and improved operations. Digital transformation is another that gives a competitive advantage for SMEs. The opportunity of public-private partnerships. This unlocks new growth avenues for SMEs.
Abosomabhizinisi baqale nokuthi ungqongqotjhe alungise nendaba yezinto eziningi ezifunekako ngaphambi kokuthi ibhizinisi encane izokuthola isizo lemali.
There's a lot to expect, but what is critical is creating a conducive environment for economic growth, get rid of or minimize the red tape of doing business, especially SMEs, because as you understand, the GDP of any country is built by SMEs.
Igadwe ngabovu lenkulumo kaGodongwana yangelesithathu.
Uyanda umbango wobunikazi benarha phakathi kwembuso sitjhaba nabomasipalata endaweni zeLimpopo. Yombili imikhandlo yemphathimandla zombuso sitjhaba nomasipala banganyisana ngobunikazi benarha yinye. Kani umbango khona lo ubangele ukuphazamiseka kokuphakela kwezenzelwa nokuphazamisa izakhamuzi. Lokhu kwenzeka njengombana ungqongqotjhe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana kulindeleke ukuthi yathule inkulumo yesabelo semali ngelesithathu. Izakhamuzi zinethemba lokubana kuzokuba nemali ebalelwa ukuthuthusa indawo lezi.
Izakhamuzi eJekhiland eliBuwakhomo ziqalene nombango wobunikazi benarha phakathi kwakamasipalata weLipelekumbi kunye nemphathimandla zombuso sitjhaba wakwaLidwaba. Umbango wenarha le uphazamisa ukuphakela kwezenzelo endaweni le. Izakhamuzi zisolo masipalata ngokubadima izenzelwa ngabomu ngendlela yokubajezisa ukulandela umbango wenarha okhona njenganje.
So you can't get services as long as these two people are fighting for this Jekhiland. So that's why we don't get the services.
Matata a motlhagase a re ama kudu motlhagase le metsi le ditsela.
Nakusenjalo endaweni yeGaditse ehlanu kwesithabathaba sentolo seliBuwakhomo nakhona kunokungangisana kwenarha phakathi kwakamasipalata wemphahlele nemphathimandla zombuso sitjhaba. Amakhosi endaweni le asolo umasipalata ngokungena ngongemthetho enarheni engaphasi kwawo. Kanti indawo le beyihlelo lokuthuthukiswa ngendlela ezihlukeneko ekufaka hlangana ukwakhiwa kwezindlu.
Batho ba maleva fela gore ba registered ba solo dipampiri tsa go soka ditene mo ke ba ga shogole fela mo makuru wa gona le batho ba bangwe fela gore ba sentse ba skemiwe.
Imphathimandla zikamasipalata weLipelekumbi zizwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokuthathwa kwenarha.
Re khonne go budgeta le go appointa di consultants for yengwe consultant re appointile for 1000 households and the other one was appointed for 750 households.
Ngelinye ihlangothi umasipalata weBlowback na uqalene nomraro ofanako wombango wenarha phakathi kwemphathimandla zombuso sitjhaba kunye nomasipalata. Izakhamuzi zakhe izindlu enarheni ebangwakole bezagirizwa ngumasipalata. Umasipalata uthi uthwenyekile ngezenzo zokuzithathela inarha ezimi.
When people are invading, they are not specifically invading a land which is specifically reserved for residential purpose. They even invade land which is strictly reserved for economic development.
Nakusenjalo imphathimandla zombuso sitjhaba zithi azikalungela ukukhuluma ngendaba le njengoba nazifuna isikhathi saneleko sokubamba umhlangano nomkhandlu wayo ukukhuluma ngendaba le.
Nasibuya entolo.
I think what the Trump administration are doing is to throw South Africa's presidency of the G20 into a tailspin.
Ulungiselelwa umhlangano wabonkqongqoshe bamazwe ngamazwe be-G20 oyokubanjwa ngelesine nangelesihlanu iveke le. Siyakwamukela mbukeli na uqeda ukungena indaba zisekhona nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC+, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. I-DA yokusebenzisa ikhotho ekulu elizweni ukutshijila ubukhona bomthetho omlingwa ukuthathwa kwenarha usanda ukutlekitlwa mhlapha.
Umthetho okuthathwa kwenarha ebosolwa indaba ikhulunywako begodu uletha nevalo lokuthi inarha izokuthathwa ngaphandle kokubhadelwa uyohlola ekhotho ephakemeko eMpumalanga Kapa duze nje. Naphezulu kokuthi umthetho lo ubangela amalawu ukuthi kuthathwa inarha namkha kuzokuba nokuthathwa kwenarha obuthaphuthaphu esikhathini esizako elizweneli akusikho lokho kwenza bona i-DA utshijile. I-DA utshijila ngokulandela umthetho sisekelo ukuthi kulandelwe yonke ikambiso ngefanelo na umthetho omlinga lo nawuza kuphasisa ube mthetho begodwa kukhona nezinye indinyana zawo i-DA ithi ziphikisana nomthetho sisekelo. I-DA ithi leli ligadango elihlelekileko.
Well, in this court challenge, we're following the strategic advice of our lawyers. And our lawyers are extraordinarily good strategists. We very rarely lose a court case with them. And they have said to us repeatedly, if you're going to challenge something in court, do it on the point in law that is the quickest, easiest, and most direct.
Isitshijilo esifaka hlangana inkambiso emibili phasi emfundeni nomchapho nokwephula komthetho sisekelo endinyaneni u19 subsection 2 no subsection 3. I-DA ithinde ikambiso yokuphasiswa komthetho lo ngokuphikisa imfundo ezavotelwa umthetho omlingwa lo emkhandlweni wemfunda. Ithi zimbili imfundo ezavota ngefanelo.
The principle of negotiating mandates is very clear. In order for any province to come and vote in favor of or against an act or a bill, they need to have held their respective legislature sittings.
I-DA qalisise ne-section 19 subsection 2 no 3 emthethweni lo ithuletha ukuzaza ekuthathweni kwenarha ngombani isiphathimandla singakhupha isiyeleliso ngaphambi kokubhadelwa begodwa uvumelana nesiphathimandla eso bona sikhona ukukhupha isiyeleliso ngemva kokuthi ikhotho iqede ngombango. Hlangano lethi indinyana leyo ayazisi begodwa ihlangano leyifuna umthetho lo usulwe ukasaba khona. Sekuza kubonakala khona-ke bona uyokuthosa ukuphendula kokuthoma uyokuphendula thini malungana nokutshijula komthetho sisekelo lokhu.
ISouth Africa izilungiselela ukusingatha umhlangano wabonkqongqoshe bezangaphandle be-G20 ekuhambeni kweveke le. Ithemba liphezulu ngetuthuko.
We are witnessing the rise of nationalism, protectionism, the pursuit of narrow interests, and the decline of common cause.
Njengomana iphasi lisalinga ukuqeda intshijilo zaleziningi, iSouth Africa kuzokuba ngikokuthoma isingatha abonkqongqoshe be-G20 ngelesine nangelesihlanu iveke le. Amaqolo ndanzwe elizwe abeke ngokukhanyako.
For the first time in its history, the G20 is being hosted on the African continent. And this is particularly important following the admission of the African Union as a member of the G20.
First, the G20 must lead on delivering financial justice. As you know well, financing is fundamental, from inclusive economic growth to supporting industrialization and food security or addressing inequalities.
Ungqongqoshe wezangaphandle eAmerica uMarco Rubio angekheze uthi akaphumeleli ngenxa yokutlikitlwa komthetho okuthathwa kwenarha wathi batsho inarha ithathela abantu benitshaba ezithileko elizweni leSouth Africa. ISouth Africa iyakulandula konke lokho.
I think what the Trump administration are doing is to throw South Africa's presidency of the G20 into a tailspin by precipitating a crisis that actually seems to be aimed at making sure that South Africa doesn't hold a successful G20 leadership role.
ISouth Africa ifumene isekelo lamanye amazwe anamandla afana neChina, iRussia nomsebenzisano omkhulu kezerhwebo iEuropean Union.
Kezimali iranda liyabogaboga nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Tumango lina umvimbi emfundeni eziningi zelizwe kunjalo nje libanga nomonakalo. Niphethe ziphi ngapho?
Nangembala ndaba ezitha ngelomvimbi ngabona siza kuvuna amathanga ngobunengi. Hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi ngezimayelana nengikhuluphelo zekulumo yesabelo semali ekulindeleke ukuthi yethulwe ivekele ngelanga langolosithathu. Ngale kwalokho sokuchinga ekhotho yemkobola lapha kumasipala wethembisile hane kunomsolo bekade avele lapha ngezongo batsho ukuthi ubekade azenza umelaphi wesintu. Sokuqala ke nendaba yokuthi ihlangano ye-Democratic Alliance yokuchijila umthetho omayelana nokwabiwa kwenaga kabutsha. Sokukhulumisana nomntwana enkosi uWilliam Mpongo uqala ukuthi abantu abatsha kuba yini lapha enkundleni zokuthintana basaragela phambili ukuzibiza ngamabizo wendawo ebekade kungeze bandlululo naphezulu ukuthi sizachugululwa amagama wazo nje. Ukusuka lapha ke asithinge kubusayi asethulele ubujamo bezulu.
Siyathokoza Phondo Libovu. Lotshana ekhaya ngomvulo wezulu livulile ke ngapha ngetshingala inarha yeSouth Africa kanti kuyatholakala nge-30% amathuba wezulu kilezi indawo zange Mpumalanga Kapa uchinge kilezi ndawo zange Northern Cape ngaleke ngakubo Uppington yaqina ke endaweni zangapha ngeKZN nangapha ke ngakubo Mthatha eMpumalanga Kapa nge-60% nalapha eBloemfontein liqine kukhulu endaweni ke zangapha ngeGauteng nangaleke ngeNorthwest. Kusasa sibona ke amathuba wezulu nge-80% athukunabela nakezinye indawo eziningi ngapha ngeFreystata kanti ke lokhu ikungu na ubona kunjaya abantu ekseni batsheje bayelele nabachayelako kanti ke awali savulile ngale ngendaweni zangejingalanga Kapa. Silemukiso ke lesi eMaikeng nePitori likhulukhulu kehle izulu esilemukiswa ngalo iSouth African Weather Services kanti ke kusasa ke kuseBloemfontein lapho litholakala khona ngobunengi khulu lapha mijijo eduma kumbi ngale ke ngeKZN sibona lapha umoya unamandla ngale ngeKapa. Siyakusuduka ke ubone ukuthi ubusuku banamhlanje si anjana amakhaza nokho ke kumakhazana endaweni eziningi ngezulu esoloko linako kanti ke ngaleke endaweni zangakubo Springbok lipholile nge-18 eKapa nge-19 lapha eGqeberha nge-20 eJohannesburg nge-14 iPitori nge-16 degrees Celsius lapha ke eBethlehem kumakhazana khudlwana kusasa ke khona ke eBethlehem lithi 21 ngemva kwamadina lapha ePitori 22 boMaikeng 21 lapha eSpringbok 31 lapha ke endaweni zabo Calvin 32 okusho khona ke ukuthi kuyachisa kezinye indawo kodwa na ke South Africa khulukhulu ke ipholile. Sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Tiro